It's okay, Lewis. Lewis, it's okay. We're almost home. We're almost home, Lewis. It's gonna be okay. Be a good boy. Yes, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Lewis. Lewis, no. No, no, no. Lewis, no. No. It's okay, Lewis. Can you see him?
No, I can't.
Oh my gosh, he is so aggressive. I've never ever seen a cat do this. I hope he doesn't bite us like this. Lewis.
Better to sleep with that door locked.
Oh no, his head's totally out. I don't know how we're going to get him out of the car without him taking off. Oh my gosh. Lewis.
Look, are you taking a picture of him?
Yes.